Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, expanding LCH Prachand order for drone defense. HAL recently received a request for proposal for the supply of 156 LCH Prachand attack helicopters with 90 units earmarked for the Indian Navy and 66 for the IAF. However, this might just be the beginning for the Prachand's journey with the IAF. The IAF is reportedly reconsidering its plan to procure additional heavy lift Apache attack helicopters. This opens the door for a potential expansion of the Prachand order. Next, developing cutting-edge underwater drones. The DRDO is seeking an innovative Indian startup to develop a next-generation underwater vehicle under its Technology Development Fund scheme. This groundbreaking project aims to create an underwater launched autonomous underwater vehicle capable of enhancing India's underwater military capabilities. The ULAUV is designed to be developed from underwater platforms, significantly extending their reach and capabilities. Imagine a submarine discreetly launching a drone to gather intelligence, conduct surveillance, or even carry out reconnaissance missions. This ULAUV will be a game changer for underwater ISR. Next, securing IDEX win for turbojet engine development. Indian aerospace company DG Propulsion Private Limited has achieved a significant milestone with their selection as an IDEX winner. The announcement, confirmed by DPPL Director Prateek Dhawan, reinforced the company's vision and commitment to advancing indigenous turbojet engine technology in India. Next, Armenian soldiers with Indian next-gen thermal sights. Armenian forces participating in the Eagle Partner Military Drill 2024 are equipped with cutting-edge thermal imaging technology from Tonbo Imaging, a leading Indian defense contractor. The drill, focused on enhancing regional cooperation and military preparedness, sees Armenian soldiers wielding the Tonbo Spartan S, a next-generation clip-on thermal weapon sights. The Spartan S is designed to be both feature-rich and easy to use. Weighing in at about 300 grams, it offers a comfortable all-in-one handheld unit. This multi-mission uncooled thermal imaging sight seamlessly integrates with small and medium caliber weapons as a true clip-on sights. Next, bolstering war fighting strategies with AI. The Indian Navy's tactical think tank, the Indian Navy Tactical Evaluation Group, has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, IIT Bombay. This collaboration leverages the expertise of IIT Bombay's academic minds to enhance the Indian Navy's war-fighting capabilities. Next, Bangladesh prefers India over China for Teesta project. Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina said her government would prefer neighboring India execute a $1 billion river development project, a move that would soothe New Delhi's security concerns. China is ready, but I want India to do the project, Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina told the reporters at a press conference in Dhaka on Sunday. Thank you.